Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. From today, we are going to start math syllabus of EV4. So, the first lesson name is weight. Objectives: to recapitulate the concept of heavy and light, to recapitulate the concept of equal and balance, to apply the skill of reasoning to solve problems. Pranjal, observe these two cartoons. Can you guess by just looking which one is heavier?
Miss, this one is heavier.
Okay. Why did you say this is heavier?
Miss, because it has some objects and this box is empty. Because of that, this box is heavier than this box.
Okay, Pranjal. Now pull these two boxes and check your answer. Now Pranjal, tell me, what do you think?
Yes, Miss, this cartoon is heavier because it has some objects, and this cartoon is lighter because it is empty.
Let's watch the story of owl who uses a pan balance to weigh walnuts.
On a hot summer day, two squirrels, Squeaky and Queaky, found a bag full of walnuts. They got very excited. They grabbed it happily and with a little difficulty dragged it to their home. On the way, they had both agreed to share the tasty nuts equally. When they opened the bag, they found that some nuts were bigger than others. Squeaky said, "How will we divide these nuts? They are not even equal." Queaky said, "We have never come across a situation like this before. I think we should go to Olgi, the wise owl. I'm sure he will be able to help us." Squeaky and Queaky went to Olgi Owl. Olgi Owl lived in a nest in the great banyan tree in the middle of the jungle. When they explained their problem to him, Olgi Owl thought for a while and said, "Go home, your problem will be solved shortly." Squeaky and Queaky were puzzled, but they kept quiet and returned home. The next day, they heard a knock on their door. Knock, knock. As they opened it, Olgi Owl was standing there with something in his hand. Can you guess what Olgi Owl brought? It was a balance. Using it, Olgi Owl divided the nuts into two parts having the same weight. Squeaky and Queaky were delighted with the way Olgi Owl solved their problem.
Let's see, how did owl help the squirrels? How did owl help the squirrels? Owl divided the walnuts equally using a pan balance. How did he weigh walnuts equally for the two squirrels? He weighed the walnuts in such a way that both the pan balance equally. Did the owl divide the walnuts equally? How could he balance the pans with 4 walnuts on one side and 5 on the other? Let's see it using a pan balance. This is a weighing machine, or it is called balance. It is used to measure the weight of an atom. The atom which needs to be weighed is put on one pan, and then stones or weights are put on the other pan to compare the weight of the stone with the weight of the object we have chosen. The main use of using the weighing machine is to check the weight whenever needed. Children, have you seen a weighing machine somewhere? Yes, we have seen the weighing machine in vegetable market, grocery shop, D-Mart, etc. Rather than this, if you have seen it somewhere else, then you can share that with your parents. Now let's see what happens when we weigh two things. Here I want to compare the weight of these two things. So when we weigh two things, then let's see what will happen. Now I am putting one thing in one pan and this box in the other pan. Now let's see children, when we weigh two things, then one pan get up and the other pan get down. The pan which is tilted down, that thing is heavier than the other. See, this pan is tilted down, so this crayon box is heavier than this other box. Let's compare the weight of this marker pen and sharpener. So marker pen is here and sharpener is here. Now see here, this pen is tilted down, so the marker pen is heavier than the sharpener. Let's compare the weight of pen and this glass. So pen is in one pan and I put glass in other pan. Now let's observe. This pan is tilted down, so the pen is heavier than the glass. Children, make your own pan balance and measure as many things as you want to measure and then record heavy, heavier and heaviest objects in your notebook. Now children, heavy means difficult to move, heavier means more heavy and heaviest means comparatively great weight. Now children, let's see one more example. Again, I am going to compare the weight of this ball with this box. Now this box is heavier than this ball. Now I am going to compare this ball with the same ball. Observe this, both the pan I have put the same size ball. Observe this machine. Children, when both the dishes on a pan balance are equal on the same level, it means the weight of both things is equal, and when both the dishes on a pan balance are not on the same level, it means one thing is heavy and other is light. Children, page number 70 is for homework. Let's see page number 71. Here you have to make your own pan balance. For this, the material required: a hanger, an eraser or sharpener, 2 square shaped dishes and 4 equal pieces of a string. Step 1. Make 2 holes each on the 2 opposite sides of 2 plastic, or you can take thermocol or paper dishes as shown in the picture. Then step 2. Thread the string in the holes as shown in the picture. Let's see picture number 3. Use the strings to tie the dishes to the different ends of the hanger as shown here. And 4. Now keep various objects in the pan to weigh them. Children, By following these instructions, you can make your own pan balance, or for better understanding, I will show you one video that will also help you to make your pan balance. Children, here I have two pan balance. Like this, you can prepare your own pan balance and measure the objects which you want to measure.
How to do a simple weighing balance at home. We need a hanger, preferably old one, a thread, and two plastic cups, or you can take old bottle caps. Now we need a sharp object, something like screwdriver. Hit the edge of the screwdriver and then put 3 holes to these cups. If you hit the edge of it, it will be easy to put the holes. Then we need 6 threads. 6 pieces of threads. As this thread is a thinner, I am taking 4 strands of thread, 4 layers. If you have a thick thread or a woolen thread, then you can directly use 6 equal pieces of threads like this. Now we are going to tie each thread to each hole. I have shown the one thread tying, and do it similarly for all the 6 holes. It looks like this. Now we have to tie the free ends of these 3 threads to corner of the hanger. That's all. Our simple weighing balance is ready very easily. Now put your objects in your weighing balance and see which is heavier and which is lighter. How to find it? The lighter objects will be moving up and the heavier objects will come down. See? That's all.
Page number 72 is for homework. Stay healthy and happy at home. Thank you.